In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make an elbow combination chair. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can start from here, and then we can set the length around 500 maybe, and the height around 500 also. I'm sorry. We can type 500 and the length around 500 and press enter. Okay. So we have to push it up around 40 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to make group anyway. So and then we can move it to the upper position around 450 millimeter, just something like this. Okay, and then we can set the support, the elbow support with the line. Start from here. I will repeat it. We can start from here and through this corner and end on here position. Then we can click it all. Then we can offset it inside, right? We can offset it inside around 80 millimeter, for example. So and then we can close this and complete it support anyway, frame support. And then we can set the thickness around 50 millimeter. Then we can just make it group anyway. So and then we can make the another support. We can make the another support in this position. Okay, in this position we can use line and start from here. Can through this corner and uh, in this corner. Okay, then we have to offset it inside around 70 millimeter approximately. Can we can close this incomplete line as usual. So then we can push it to the front around 50 millimeter. Then we can make it group, and then we can move and press Control. Okay, and then we can flip it along with the blue axis, and then we can push it to the another side. You can push it to the another side around 100 millimeter, for example. Okay, so then we can make the another support in here. We can use line start from here, start from here. Okay, from here, and then we can place on this position, and then we can we can place on this position anyway. Okay, and then we can just click this both offline, and then we can offset it inside around 50 millimeter. And then we can close this incomplete line over there. So and then we can get the shape of this elbow plane, and then we can push it to the left until this limit anyway, until touch the connection, and then we can make group. And after that we can select all, make group, and we can assign with synthetic surface material. We can use a formica laminated light. I suggest you to, because it look more aesthetic and representative enough of the chair. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.